Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a friendly smile, lived in a cozy castle nestled beside a sparkling river. His best friend was Sparky, a small green dragon with big floppy ears. Sparky loved to play, but today he was a little worried. Hickey, a tiny shimmering bubble floated from his nose. Pop! It made a little tinkling sound, like a tiny bell. Sparky looked at Sir Reginald with wide, worried eyes. "Oh dear," he squeaked. "My hiccups are making bubbles, and they make funny noises. What if they never stop?" Sir Reginald chuckled, his armor jingling gently. "Those aren't just funny noises, Sparky," he said. "They sound like music." Hickey, another bubble floated out, this one a bit bigger. Pop! It made a deeper sound, like a little drum. Sir Reginald had a wonderful idea. He found a long smooth stick on the ground. "Let's try to make a song with your hiccups, Sparky," he exclaimed. He held the stick like a conductor's baton. Hickey, a high, sparkly bubble. Pop! A tiny flute sound. Hickey, a round, wobbly bubble. Pop! A soft harp note. Sir Reginald waved his stick, guiding the musical bubbles. Soon the air was filled with beautiful, bubbly music. Tiny musical bubbles floated all around them, each one playing a different note as it popped. There were high notes and low notes, fast pops and slow pops. Sparky giggled. His hiccups weren't so scary after all. They were making a wonderful bubble symphony. Finally, Sparky's hiccups started to slow down. The musical bubbles became fewer and further between, until at last they stopped altogether. Sparky felt much better, and he had a big smile on his face. "That was the best hiccup concert ever," he said. Sir Reginald nodded. "It was wonderful, Sparky. We made something beautiful together. It's amazing how even something unexpected, like hiccups, can turn into something fun, with a little creativity and a good friend."
Please subscribe. Thank you.